In this video I'm gonna tell you how to add baby effect in TikTok video. Please watch the video till end and also give a like to this video. So let's get started. For this effect you should have to go to Snapchat, and here tap on effect option. Now I have downloaded it. It will not available here. For this, tap on explore option, and here search for baby. Now okay, now the above first one option, tap on it. Now start recording your video. For this, tap and hold the option below. Now tap on save option to download the video. Now minimize it and go to TikTok. Now here tap on plus icon to start adding your video. Now tap on upload option. Now select the video you have downloaded from Snapchat. Now tap on next option. Next. So I hope you will like this video. So, and this is the simple method through which you can make you can add the baby effect to your TikTok video. So please give a like to this video and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks. Goodbye.